Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you could join me today. And if you're here today, thanks for stopping by. I have a project shared that I'm going to tag under satmornmakes and Two Crafters One Design. This week for Two Crafters One Design, they wanted you to use 3x3 cards and decorate them any way that you want. So I will share what I made this week. I made a few cards that I'm going to include with presents that I've made. So I have this little guy, and he's a little snowman. They're all snowman themed. When it gets to around the holiday seasons, I love a good snowman card. I love a good snowman movie. I love snowmen. So I did this, and I stamped him out and colored him. Coloring is not my thing, so I did the best that I could. And I added a little tree was with that one. And I took the tree and I added some of Tim Holtz's rock candy to give it that glittery feel. And added a star on top of the tree. And he's a little snowman who really wants to be a reindeer. So the next little snowman is I got this guy. And I used some of the Tim Holtz ephemera that they had this year. And this was a cutout. And I added my little snowman in there. And then I had some ones that were peeping over to figure out what he's doing. This one got a little bird that landed on his nose. So that's him. The next one, this is the Tim Holtz die that was from last year, and I think this is Chilly and Freezy, and they were the little snowmen die that they had that matched the big ones that they had, and I have the big ones too, but they didn't, they wouldn't fit on here. So I gave them their little plaid scarves and hats so they could match a little bit, and it says "Love you endlessly." And so that's what they are. And I added this little background, did a few little droplets of snow coming down, and they were just meeting each other outside. They hadn't seen each other in a year. So they were made again and they found each other. This one is a little snowman in a jar, and he's a piece of ephemera that I have these ephemera books. I don't know if anybody else have these ones, if I have it close by. So they come in this cozy winter ephemera book, and there's a whole bunch of them. I got these on Amazon a couple years back. And so I went in and I cut out the snowman, added it to a nice background, added a few drops of snow there for him. The next one is also from that ephemera book. And I cut him out and I sprinkled, please excuse me, I sprinkled a lot of rock candy over to give him that glittery effect like he was out in the snow. And it says, "Let it snow." And the last snowman is, I had this winter scene that I had in a piece of, I think it's a little die cut or something that I have. And it says "Walking in the Wonderland of Wonderland." And that's him. And he's just out on a stroll. And you can see the trees in the back and the little water. He's down by the creek. And he's just having a good day. No one's around. No more snow people for him. No humans. He's just having the best day. So these are my cards for Satmornmakes and Two Crafters One Design. I'll put the information down for the ladies who are the hosts, the three ladies who are the hosts for Two Crafters One Design. And it's Mo Creations, Girliest Cards. And you can see why I'm a diva. And for Satmornmakes, that's Jill Norwood. And I'll put all their information down in the description box, and so for them, if you like what I'm doing on my channel, please press that. So if you like my, all my words are ready to go, but please forgive me today. I'm just kind of, I don't know, I went out and came back and just not up to par. But If you like what I'm doing here on my channel, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my cards, give me a thumbs up for that. If you're stopping by and you're just kind of intrigued by the kinds of things I do on my channel, go ahead, press that subscribe button and come back. And don't forget to press the bell so you can see what I do every week. I try to upload twice a week. Also, if you need inspiration for some of the cards and some of the things that you're making this year for your Christmas share, we got almost less than a month to go, and I still got to make my a few more Christmas cards. So you'll see me post those also. So if you need an inspiration, check out the hashtag satmornmakes and also the hashtag 2crafters1design, and check me out here on my channel, Tjayebirds Journey. So I'll see you all. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you like my snowmen. And don't forget, in this holiday season, be the reason somebody smiles, and also do things that make you smile. And I'll chat with you all in my next video. Bye now.